Okay, now guys, after installing VS Code, create a folder to write your own codes. Now I will create on the desktop and call it website. You can name it whatever you like it. Now after creating the folder, open the VS Code and go to the menu and click on open folder. Now show him the place where you created a folder so that you can write your own code. Yes, I trust. Okay, and now to create an HTML file on VS Code, click on the one that have icon paper plus. This means making a document in our folder. Write the file name as index.html. You can name it anything you like, but the format must be HTML. It must be HTML, so don't forget about HTML. Because our main work is HTML and we want to pop up as the website.